This video is about removing the scary and misleading pop-ups that are coming from the site toprecodeclub.com. The website toprecodeclub.com is totally faulty and truly deceptive. It claims that you need to click on a special allow button supposedly to help you verify that you are a human and not a robot. The reality is that it's a mistake to click on allow. This would hijack your browser right away with a lot of pop-up windows that will be attacking the screen in the form of web push notifications. In case you have mistakenly clicked on that allow button, be sure to fix your browser. Now watch carefully as I explain how to do it manually. So access the menu, Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications and pay attention to the websites allowed to display notifications. Carefully remove these malicious sites if you find them on the list. To make sure that your computer is free of other threats, I recommend investigating it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. After you download the program, install it and start researching the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.